Welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. We are going to do project number 3 in the paper pumpkin kit for March 2023. It is this one here with that gold foil happy on it. So I've got my card base. I've got my elements for the front. The only thing I don't have is a small banner. I'm just going to have, there it is a small one like that. There we go. It's really teeny tiny. So I'm just going to pop this onto a piece of cardstock so you can see. I've got my pot for the greenery. I've got my greenery, I've got my happy, I've got my other pieces. So I am going to ink up my birthday here and just stamp it down. Ink it up again. Let's make sure I'm good and clear, and I am, so I'll just pop that off to the side, and I'm going to pop this down, and we have to put it right in the middle, just like that. So there we go, and put the lid back on that, because you know I will put my fingers in it. So that's just going to go off to the side for now. And what do I need to do? I need to put dimensionals on the back of this. So, and I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, like that. And it looks like I attach my fronds here to this. So let's peel these off. And to go this way, so this frond would go here like this, and they want just a little bit peeking out there, and then this one would go at the bottom and the same way. So whoops, there we go. That's got those like that. And we're going to turn this over, and we are going to adhere it to the front of the card. Oops. And we're going to do that so that it's straight and level. There we go. So, looks pretty already. We are going to take our greenery now and the pot. And these pots, I don't know if you can see them. They're really embossed. They've got a really nice texture on them. So I'm just going to flip that over because we need to put adhesive dots. Maybe I'll put this on here too, and then you can see what I'm doing. Wouldn't that have been a good idea in the other videos? So I need 1, and I have turned that over. Yes, I have. 2, 3, and 4. And then I need, where am I putting these ones? Here and here and here. Okay, 2 more, 1 there and 1 here. Okay, so now I'm going to peel these off like this, and we're placing this down kind of over top of one of these, but still in the middle. I might have put that a little bit far over, but it's going to go like this. We're just going to tap it down. Okay, and see, this is why they showed us in the picture just to put the adhesive dots down here and not up at the top, because it's dimensionalized and you don't want this to stick down and push your dimensionalization down. So yay. Now this, however, will, because it's coming off the edge, and I put these down just a little bit low, but we will see what we can do. There is a method to their madness when they put their instructions together about where to put the pieces. So that goes there like that. Okay. And now I need to take this gold foil happy, and how gorgeous is that? That is absolutely fabulous. So And now we need to go ahead and put our adhesive dots on this as well. So we're putting one up here on the H, one at the bottom of the H, and down here. And again, if they go over the side just a little bit, it's okay. They can be rolled in however you need them to be. So I'm going to put that there, and then we've got another one on the Y like that. So I am going to just hold this down and flick these off because I don't want to bend the foil. So we're just going to do this and pick these off like that and like that. There we go. Come on, away you go. And then this one here like this. This one did come over the edge a little bit, so I'm just going to pop it back in like that. Now, get all my backings off. This goes on here like this, so that the Y is just like that. There we go. Pop those down. There we go. And then I need to put dimensionals on the back of the birthday. They call for 3. I guess we can put 3 on there. There's definitely room for 3. All right. And this then goes over here like this. There we go. There is our third and final project from the kit. Stand by for an alternate using the March 2023 Paper Pumpkin Kit. So thank you so much for watching.